Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on the topic Fourier series for odd function. Example, find the Fourier series for the function f of x is equals to k into x minus L less than x less than 0, and second value k into L plus x 0 less than x less than L. Therefore, as the range is minus L to L type, we can check the function whether it is even or odd. For that, we consider here it is having two values, function is having two values. Therefore, let f1 of x is equal to k into x minus L, range minus L less than x less than 0, and f2 of x is equals to k into L plus x 0 less than x less than L. Replacing x by minus x in the first function, we get it is k minus x minus L. Here also we replace x by minus x in the range also. Therefore minus L less than x less than minus x less than 0. Taking minus sign common, we get minus k times x plus L, and multiplying throughout by minus sign and then applying the property of inequality, we get 0 less than x less than L. Original 0 to L value is k into L plus x. Here we are getting same but with negative sign. Similarly, for second function, second value of that function, f2 of x is equal to k into L plus x, range 0 less than x less than L. Here also we replace x by minus x. We get f2 of minus x as k into L plus, replacing x by minus x, and in range also we replace x by minus x, 0 less than minus x less than L. Rewriting it by taking minus sign common, we get minus k times this become x and minus L, and multiplying by minus sign we get minus L less than x less than 0. Minus L to 0, the original value is k into x minus L. We are getting same but with negative sign, means we get f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x, means function is an odd function. And as it is an odd function, a0 is 0, an is 0, we require to find only bn. a0 0, an also 0, and bn is given by 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x sine of n pi x by L and its integration with respect to x. Then substituting the values, the value of L is here small l, and therefore bn is 2 by small l integration from 0 to small l f of x. In that range 0 to L, function value is k into L plus x, multiplied by sine of n pi x by L, and its integration with respect to x. Here k is constant term, we take outside, and therefore it is 2k divided by L. As it is a product of two terms of x, we integrate it by generalized part. K, that L plus x must be the first, as it is algebraic, and that sine trigonometric function, therefore it must be the second function. Integrating it by that generalized part, we get first term as L plus x, integration of sine is minus cos of n pi x by L divided by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is n pi divided by L. Then minus derivative of x, or derivative of this term with respect to x. L constant term is derivative 0. Derivative of x is 1. Next, integration of cos. Integration of cos is sine with this minus sign, and therefore it is minus sine of n pi x by L divided by n square pi square by L square. Next derivative is 0 as it is constant term, and we stop here, and limits from 0 to L. Substituting the upper and lower limit, we get when we put upper limit x as L will get cancelled, we get that term cos n pi. The value of cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n. Sin n pi, it is 0, and for the lower limit it becomes cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, and sin 0, 0. Therefore, using this 4 values, we get that is equals to 2k by L, L plus L, we get 2L, divided by this n pi by L. L goes to numerator, therefore it is L divided by n pi. Cos of n pi with minus sign, therefore with minus 1 raised to n. Sin n pi 0, minus lower limit, when x is 0, this becomes 0, therefore minus L divided by n pi, and cos 0 is 1, and sin 0, 0. Therefore, from these two terms, we can take L square upon n pi common. Therefore, it is 2k divided by L multiplied by L square divided by n pi. This become minus plus 1, and here it is minus 2 times minus 1 raised to n, and therefore we get that value as 2k. 1 will get cancelled, therefore L remains, divided by n pi multiplied by 1 minus 2 times minus 1 raised to n. Equation number 1, value of Bn. Substituting values of A0, An and Bn in equation 2, we get required Fourier series as function is having 2 values, we are not able to substitute the fx, we keep that as it is. F of x is equals to, we get A0, 0, An 0, value of Bn is 2kl divided by n pi multiplied by 1 minus 2 times minus 1 raised to n, and into sine of n pi x by L. N changes from 1 to infinity, and therefore rewriting it is 2k L divided by pi summation from 1 to infinity. It is 1 minus 2 times minus 1 raised to n divided by n into sine of n pi x by L as the required Fourier series. As the required Fourier series. In my next video, I will discuss Fourier series for even function. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to get new updates on new videos. Also, give your comments in comment box of my video. Thank you very much.